Ciara, and I was supposed to do a faux lock tutorial like a couple months ago. I didn't like how they turned out. I was supposed to do them over some box braids, but this time I actually plaited my hair, so under here is like nothing but hair plaits. And I like for my faux locks to look like a little natural at the roots. I don't really like for it to be too tight. The time that I did faux locks, I was going to Jamaica. I'm gonna put some pictures in here too so y'all can see the picture. I'm the type of person where I'm not gonna pay anybody to do anything that I can do myself. It's an easy hairstyle that I can do that lasts me a little minute, because what I got was some crochet curly hair in the style deep twist. All of them are 22 inches long, and I know it's gonna last me, like I know it's gonna do me good, because I normally when I do them I never get this. I always get like a different curl. The last curl I had was like a beach curl, but I just bought 3 bags. I don't need that many. I just bought 3 because I only take like a little bit per plait. I buy the small bags of these, but now I get the 24. What I learned with the 24 is you really don't need that many bags of these. Like you could literally use, like I would say probably 2 bags of this to do locks. Yes, you can use 2 bags of the 24, but I bought 4 because I just want them to look a certain way, so I bought 4. Some beauty supplies have it for like $6.99, but I got 1 bag for $6.99 and I got this for $7.99. It's real affordable, kind of, you know, like a little $50 compared to spending $200 to get these done. Is not that bad. So you need this because you want to like keep your baby hairs and stuff laid. You need this crochet needle because I like to crochet the curly hair through the plait. I'm gonna take the leggings off so I can show y'all how my plaits look. This is my plaits. And don't be trying to jump because I look like Angelica Doll right now. Alright y'all, so we close up on this side way I want them to. See? And then I'm gonna put my seashells and stuff in right here because y'all can really see. And I need to oil my scalp. I really need to oil my scalp. So I'm taking some of this and I'm going like that. And I'm pulling the rest of her. And I'm just like picking this, just going like this basically. So you can go like that. And I'm gonna make it, which end is more, I'll make this side. So I'm making it long by going like that. So this is where I get my length from this. So I'm wrapping. Oh, I'm taking this part and I'm wrapping around my braid. I'm making like a little a lock around my braid, so that when I'm wrapping with the hair, you can't see my braid. Braided with the Cuban Twist hair. So I'm taking that. I'm going like this, y'all. It's like a little, and I'm just wrapping around the base 3 times.
potential factor in causing cancer. You may be entitled to substantial compensation. Get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or flu-like symptoms of sorts, have had cancer or developed new skin growths, or if anyone in your house needs or
I'm gonna just call it. So normally I never do them this long, so I'm super like happy with how they turned out. Come in like different sizes and stuff, and I love it. Like, these is like from the hair store. They like $1.59. With the seashells, I don't know how to put them on like how other people put them on. Now I got a new method with a needle and thread. So I just loop my needle like so. Tie the knot at the end, and you just pick which one you want. So you hold the seashell in place like where you want it at. I take this, not even gonna be able to see the fact that I just sewed the seashell to my hair. And I don't want to have a whole bunch of seashells. I kind of just want to have like a couple. Again, you like do the same thing and 2 on this side. So now I'm picking like the messiest one. Y'all can kind of see you go through the hole and you go through the lock. So I'm going through the seashell hole. It just take a lot of time. So you don't want to be able to see that I'm using thread. So like after you're done, you put the thread through that part and they won't be able to tell. And then I'm going to tie the end for y'all. Some on this side too, but I want to keep it different and put them in different spots. I don't want them to be like in the same spot. This is the cute part about doing them, because you know, you get to like add your own little spin to it. So I'm doing it again. I want it to be as high as the other one. This time I'm going from the back. And I got, you cannot see the thread. Like even if the thread was showing, you wouldn't be able to see it. And then I like how I'm sitting down and it stopped at like my waist. They're super full. My parts look the way I want my parts to look. Like I never like for my locks to be super tight. Look at them. My edges, Slick and Slay hair gel from She Is Bomb collection, which is my favorite. That's all I use. But everything that I do on my channel, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can save money, because people be out here taxing for stuff that you literally can do yourself. But I'm gonna show y'all the back too. I love them. Like, thank y'all for watching my channel. We got more to come. I'm making, and that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like. We got more to come.